Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Now this video is going to be a big relief because there was a lot of rumors, there were a lot of questions regarding the GATE exam to be cancelled or to be postponed. We are one more step closer to the GATE exam because now the admit card has been uploaded by GATE, and it was supposed to be uploaded 2 days back, but it got delayed somehow. But now finally we have the GATE admit card. So what you have to do is you have to log into your GATE online portal. I'll show you how to do that. So this is the GATE official page or official login page. I'll give you link to come to this page directly in the description of this video. You can directly click on that link and you will be taken to this particular page. Now here what you have to do, you have to put your enrollment ID or email ID, whatever you remember, and you have to put your password. You have to fill this captcha and then you can submit and you will be logged in. Okay, so I'll just quickly log in and I will show you that how it looks and how you can download your admit card. Alright, so once you log in, this is how the screen is going to look like. It will show that the application status is already been done, and now there is an instruction to the candidate. Okay, the screen reads instruction to the candidate. There are various instructions over here that a printed copy of this admit card must be presented for verification. That means you have to consider or you have to take this particular admit card, print out of this admit card along with you during the exam time, and you also have to keep a valid photo identity card. You also have to keep some of your passport size photograph, although it is not asked, but still keep it up till you. Now what are the ID card which are allowed, which you can take, are passport, PAN card, voter ID card, Aadhaar card, driving license, any of them. So those are going to be used for the verification purpose. Admit card will be considered valid only if the photograph and signature are clear. If they are not clear, in that case make sure that the print is of good quality, and so that the image and the sign are clear over there. Okay, it's not necessary to get a color photocopy. Still few people download color photocopy or they get color printed. It's not it's not mandatory, but if you want, you can print it out in the color form. So I will come down here, and here in the here in the last you will see that it says, I hereby acknowledge that I have read, understood and agree to the following above mentioned instructions. All these instructions are there, you can read about them. The instructions include, like I have read, the instructions are not very much specific, they are just related to that what you have to carry. I already told you. Then how and what should be the quality of the admit card which you have to get printed. Then the other COVID related protocols are mentioned over there, like what you have to, like what are the things which you have to carry, like mask, sanitizer and all those things. And there are some more point, like and the candidate will not be allowed to enter the examination center 30 minutes after the start of exam. So make sure you are present in the exam time. You are not late over there. Candidate will not be permitted to leave the examination hall before the exam ends. You have to sit for 3 hours. You cannot go out of the exam center in between of the exam. Candidate should not bring any chart, table, papers, etc. So all these basic things are there. Mobile and other things, obviously these are prohibited, so they are not allowed for the exam. And mask and other things are allowed, so you have to wear a proper mask, and you have to keep your own pen, pencil, transparent water bottle and all, whatever you want you can keep them, but you have to take your own things. And before entering, all the candidates must adhere to COVID related protocols. As per the government, the COVID-19 positive in many places have increased, so all these things are there. Okay, if you are COVID positive, or if you are feeling, or if you are getting COVID related COVID related symptoms, then don't attend the exam. That's what they say. Okay, so in order to download the admit card, you can just simply click on this, that I hereby acknowledge. Your e-signature will already been done, your name will be written over here, and that's it. You just have to click here which says download admit card for the GATE paper. Okay, here download application form is also there, but that is not recommended or that is not required. You just need admit card, so just click on this. Okay, so the admit card looks like this, pretty simple as it used to be. The only thing which you have to see over here is your examination center, which is over here. And one more thing which you have to see is the exam date, that is 6th of February. As of now, this is the date of exam, and the timing is from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. So that is all about this particular video. Please download your admit card, see whether all the information is there properly given on it or not. And in case of any problem if you face while downloading the admit card, you can contact to the concerned authority of GATE in order to get that. So that's it from my side for this video. I hope you guys understood. I just wanted to give you a quick update about it. So please download your admit card, and all the best for your GATE exam. Hey guys, so I teach live on Unacademy Plus platform. Here I teach for the CSIR UGC NET category, and you can follow me over here for regular classes. You can access my free classes as well as my paid classes on this particular platform. The classes which are free, you can get that under the section of special classes, whereas in order to access my paid classes, paid live classes, you have to take Unacademy Plus subscription. So do make sure that you take the Unacademy Plus subscription to access all my paid classes, which are quite organized. The whole syllabus is being completed over there, and the classes are quite regular over there. So make sure that you take Unacademy Plus subscription by using my referral code, that is N_Huda. That's it for this. Thank you so much.